Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change font size on iPhone 12. Let's go! Okay, so the first thing we'll do is we will go to settings, then scroll down a little bit to accessibility, then to hover and text, display and text size, and as you can see we can make the text bolder. Let's make it bolder. And larger text, we press it, and now we can select the font size. If you want the text to be this big, as you can see, or do we want to make it this small? As you can see, it works. Okay guys, thank you for watching, have a good day, goodbye.